Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to enter into maintenance mode on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So let's start. So just open your settings app and then scroll down to device care and then tap on it and then scroll down to additional care, this section, and in this section you can see here we have maintenance mode. Protect your privacy while your phone is being repaired. So just tap on it, okay, and you can read more about it if you want, okay, and you can see here we have turn on this button. So just tap on it. And here we have this pop-up, and on this pop-up we can choose to create log or not. So select your choice, and after that just tap on restart this button, okay. So let me tap on it. Now provide your PIN pattern or password. So let me do that. And you can see here we have this message, switching to maintenance mode. Your phone will restart, so it's restarting. So we need to wait. And you can see switching to maintenance mode. And now you can see guys, we have successfully entered into maintenance mode. So that's it. Please like, comment and subscribe for more videos.